They're both friggin'. They switched it up now. Now he's got that. Okay, here we go. Something's gonna happen. Of course.
Wait his ass. There you go.
Aw, look, she's like, play with it. Take it away. They want to play tug. They want to play tug? Want to play tug? Yum, 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 yum. Do nice. Play nice. Ah, rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah. Oh, you know what? I need more. That's what we were talking about with the vet. More protein for Clifden, right?
Yeah.
Look at them playing tug over a ring.
High protein diet.
High protein.
Did you get that?
Look, oh my god. There you go, tug of war, tug of war. Tug of war, tug of war, tug of war. Look, but he's gonna run with her and she's gonna get dragged.
Yeah.
Okay, Wyme, this is your chance. This is your chance. Go get him.
All right, wait, here it comes.
Biden's vaccine mandate. It gets worse. According to the Heritage Foundation, similar databases. Joining me now is Wesley J. Smith, chair.
Now you go back from a distance and then you stalk him. There you go. You sit still. There you go. Pretend you don't care, and that's how you can get him. Catch him off guard. That's what you do. Pretend you don't care. Oh boy. Oh boy.
See, I'm gonna just pretend I'm taking a piss over here.
Yeah, exactly. There you go.
I don't even think she pretended though.
There you go. Nope. Yeah, I know. Somebody's got the ring. Hey, Clifden, did he just grab her leg?
Yeah.
Clifden, whoa.
She turned around and back.
Oh, all right. So in other words, she barked, he grabbed her leg. Hey, not now. Hey.
All right, you guys.
All right, hold on. We'll wait till we get a little bit out of control. Play has to not be out of control. Corners everybody. All right.
All the time.
All right, I know.
Desensitized.
What's noise desensitization? I ignore alarms all the time.
Yeah.
I'm a nurse. I'm only kidding. Look at them playing. Look at them. You silly willies. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. All right, easy. No roughhousing. Yep, somebody's got the ring. There we go. Round and around we go. Now go get your braid, Luna. Get your braid. Go get your braid. Oh man, the video camera was down. It's hard. Oh my God. Easy.
Easy. Hey.
Nice. Okay, nice. Do nice.
Ring. Right top.
No, too rough.
All right. Again.
Too rough. Okay, somebody needs to leave the pen. Somebody's out of control. All right. Hey. Okay, Clifden, chill out. No digging. That's anxiety, right? Dig. In a blanket, really? Okay.
Hey.
Leave her alone. That's it. Leave it alone. Now she's gonna go under the blanket to bite him. You can't see me, but I got you.
Yeah.
Here. Silly boy.
Hey.
Stop it. Okay, we're gonna end the video.